Welcome to this guided meditation. Breathe in and become aware of your essence in your body. Feel the weight of your body connecting with the surface beneath you. Allow the natural breath to move in through the nose and reach ever gently towards the belly. Allow this to be a centering breath. A grounding breath. Become aware of the sounds around you and simply allow them to be there. They're not interrupting. They're simply participating in this thing called life. Observe the sensation of air against your skin. Noticing if you're cool or warm. And ask yourself, is there anything you need in this moment to be more comfortable? Allow yourself to move into deeper awareness of the way your body feels. Gently noting any areas of tension and simply allowing them to be there with non-judgmental awareness, just observing. As the breath enters in the nose, allow this to be a grounding breath, a centering breath. That is gently guiding you to yourself. To the inner experience of what it is to be in your body. Allow the breath to fill the chest, visualizing this breath wrapping around the heart center, enrapturing it. Filling the body with life force, the vital essence needed to thrive. Like the sunlight on the trees, our breath is our life force. Breathe in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to make a sigh. And feel the body soften with that sigh. Allow this breath to be a grounding breath and a centering breath. Exploring what this stillness allows to come to the forefront of your mind. Noticing any thoughts that want to join in this moment of centering and grounding. Welcoming all parts of life and yourself into this experience. Breathing in a centering breath, breathing in a grounding breath, allowing judgment to become discernment and observation. Observing the state of the body and its lightness or its tightness. And celebrating it exactly where it is. Allowing this moment to bring you back home in this body for a few moments before you return back to your day. Thank you for allowing me to be part of this moment. And now as you breathe in this centering and grounding breath, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Flutter your eyes and return back to your day, grounded and centered.